Okay, so now in this video, let's see the advantages and features of Google Analytics. Google Analytics. So first, let's just go add a plugin. So add a new plugin and search for Google Analytics for WordPress. And the first one, what you get is what I like it. The reason is obviously you can see that it has been downloaded 4 million times and it has a 4-star rating. And it is also with the same developer almost what we uh, the Yoast SEO plugin, and this pretty much a same company the way I see it. So I like this, so I want to install it. Activate the plugin. Okay. This is just an alert. I would say don't allow tracking. Okay. And this is a settings page for that Google Analytics. So please authenticate with Google Analytics to receive your tracking code. Um, but before I do this, I want to go and set up my domain with the Google Analytics. So how do I do that? Go to google.com/analytics and then sign in with your user ID password, and then go to the admin section, and here I want to add a new domain here. So new account, and is it a website or an app? It is a website. So my new website name is parttimestartups.com, and the URL is going to be the same thing. In which category? It's in the business category. If I have to specify the time zone, I can change the time zone to Eastern time. And then the account name, I want to leave the account name as same as my domain. Okay. Data sharing is allowed. I think it's okay. So get tracking ID. So I have to accept this. Now it gave me a piece of some HTML code, script code here. So now, the thing what I need to do is to be able to properly link my website with Google Analytics, I have to copy this script HTML code and then incorporate inside my website header area. So what is header area? How do I do that? So that is the reason we don't have to worry about this. We'll just go simply use the plugin and then copy this tracking ID and then go back to the Google Analytics configuration, and there's an option here, click here to authenticate, click that. Okay, yes, I want to grant access to that plugin to access my Google Analytics. Okay, don't allow tracking. Or if I don't want to go with this authentication purpose, I can just choose, okay, manually enter the UA code. That's the code which I copied over there. And then update Google Analytics setting. That's it. Now my website is linked with Google Analytics. So now the question you may want to ask is, okay, so we're linked with Google Analytics. What can we do with that? What are the features and advantages of Google Analytics? Okay, so let's go to reporting section of this. And you're looking at one of my domain cheapgurus.com. If I go and see the dashboard, which is primarily, okay, let's see the dashboard of it. This is showing a lot of information about my domain cheapgurus.com, but let's get the report here. Okay, the main report, the advantage of Google Analytics here is how many visitors, how many users are coming to my website in a day, and what are they doing once they come to my website. Are they staying for 1 minute or staying for 10 minutes? Or when they come to my website, are they seeing one page or seeing more than one pages? The goal here is I want to get a lot of people to visit my website. And once they come, I want them to stick on my website for longer time and see many pages, right? So the Google Analytics helps me to understand that. Um, so let's see in this case. In this case, per month, okay, from January 22nd to February 21st, it has 404 visited to my website, which is not at all a big number. It's a very small number because to get a good page rank and good visibility, I may want to get 100,000 visitors per month. But again, it is not so simple. So this site I started a while back, but I did not do any work in promoting it. So I'm just going to show you an example here. So out of these 400 people, what did they do? They visited total 1,376 pages. On average, how much time they spent on the website? 8 minutes. That's good. Okay, and how many people are bounced once they come to my website? It's showing 70% of the users are bounced. That means they see only homepage and then they just go away from my domain, my website. And another important thing is, so far out of this 400 users, only 80% are new visitors, and remaining 20 are returning visitors. Depending on my state of my domain, do I want to get new visitors more or do I want to get returning visitors? In most cases, I want both, but you can target if you are not having a lot of returning visitors, then something is wrong with your website or you want to hook them so that the users can visit again. So you can get these kind of features here. And another important thing is you can even see demographically from which location these users are coming. You can see United States, US has 299 visitors out of those 400, and Canada 7, India 108, China 5. So again, this number is very small. 400, 488 is very small number, but still that is spread across so many countries. Okay, and another important thing I can get from analytics is out of this 400, how many people are coming directly to my website? How many people are coming through search traffic, okay, or referral traffic? So in the traffic sources overview, you can see 73% of people coming using search traffic. What are they searching for? They're searching for these kind of keywords and they're coming to my website, which is good. And how many are coming directly to my domain name? 22%. Only 4% are coming through referral traffic. From which sites they are getting referred? So these are all some sites, it is getting referred to my website. And you can even go through one more level of detail in terms of how many direct traffic and referral traffic and those things. Now we can look at more details how Google search engine is showing my website in the search results. So there is a category here, search engine optimization, and I can even go and see queries. For what queries my website is coming up, and out of the impressions Google is making, how many clicks I'm getting to my website. So I can even get into those many details. But again, to get this search engine optimization details, we have to link our um, the domain from Google Analytics to Google Webmaster. So let's go back and see parttimestartups.com in the Google Analytics and see what we can do from there. Okay, I see my parttimestartups.com, and obviously we don't see any users as it is just we just linked just now. Okay, and then if I want to see the search engine optimization here, expand and see queries. So it is asking that you have to link this site with the webmasters. How do we link it? Set up webmaster tools. Scroll down here. Here are the webmaster tools settings. Click edit, and here I have to select my domain name. Save. Do you want to add this? Yes. Now you can see here in the bottom that my domain is selected in Google Analytics, and apply. And that's it. When I go back to Google Analytics reporting section, and now I can see if there are any more information. I can get more details from both Webmaster as well as Analytics in one place. Okay, and this Analytics is very useful because it's like your health checkup. So you're working so hard on your website, but if you don't have any users, there is no use, right? So how many users are coming? And if they're coming from India, but you want users from US, what do you need to do? You need to target for US customers and then come back and check the results. So Google Analytics gives you all those kind of details, and it helps you to change your marketing direction to get appropriate users from which location, even though they're coming, how long they're staying on the site, which pages they're visiting. So you can get all kind of information from Google Analytics. So now with this video, we successfully linked our domain to Google Analytics. And do you want, if you want to see how our website has the code from Google Analytics, you can just right click on this our home page and see source of this page. Here you can see that it has this code by WordPress Yoast, and you can even see this information that tag this UA number. This is a number I copied from Google Analytics and linked to my website. Okay, but we don't have to worry about all this code, HTML code, because we are using WordPress and using plugins wherever applicable and useful. Okay, that's all.